Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by matching your iPhone and pad. This step avoids slow charging or no charge at all. Check your model supports Qi and plug the wireless base into a reliable power source. You want steady voltage rather than a weak USB port. Once done, remove bulky cases or metal mounts because they block induction. Make sure to place the pad on a flat, stable surface so alignment is predictable. Doing this first sets you up for consistent charging and fewer interruptions. Now position the iPhone precisely on the charger. Centering matters because coils must overlap. You'll often see a light or hear a chime when contact is good. If not, lift and recenter. The phone may take 5 to 10 seconds to register charging while the coils negotiate power, so be patient. Make sure nothing metallic or magnetic sits between the devices and avoid wireless earbuds cases stacked nearby. This ensures efficient power transfer and prevents the pad from throttling output. Finish by monitoring the battery indicator to confirm a steady increase. This verifies successful charging. If you don't see movement, try swapping the pad's power cable or outlet first, then test another Qi pad to isolate the fault. Once done, restart your iPhone and update iOS because firmware sometimes fixes charging detection. Make sure the device and pad aren't too hot. High temperature limits charge speed. If all else fails, try charging wired to confirm the battery, and then contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.